Alright, so this might look like any standard typical Rubik's Cube that you might see laying around the house somewhere, but in fact, this was actually my first cube. And in today's TS cubing episode, we're going to be revitalizing it by giving it some lube, loosening it up, and making it turn, well, pretty good for this type of cube. Like, right now, it kind of turns like this. When a normal speed cube is supposed to turn like this. Definitely is some room for improvement. Let's get into the video. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is solve it, and then take off the center cap so we can then loosen the cube. Let's go ahead and loosen the cube. Alright, let's take off the center caps. Alright, now that we have all the center caps taken off, we can go ahead and loosen the screws. Alright, now that we have all the screws loosened, we can go ahead and put the center caps back on. Alright, so now it is turning a bit better, simply because it's looser and it has more room to corner cut, but still is feeling quite dry and very, very, very slow. So let's go ahead and put a modified version of the TechSpace's lube setup onto here. I'll make a video on how to apply the lube setup to your own cube in the future, but for now, let's just go ahead and apply it to this cube. Alright, so it definitely is performing a tiny bit better than before. I wouldn't say that this is necessarily usable if you're a speed cuber, but for someone, you know, generally who wants to play with a Rubik's Cube, this would be quite good. It actually turns kind of smoothly. The only bad thing is that the pieces are kind of square shaped, as you can see, so corner cutting is not very good, but it's way faster than it used to be. One last thing is I want to put like a cubicle sticker on here to signify that this cube really has been pushed to its full potential. So I think we should put a cubicle pro shop sticker on here. Of course, we want to have it facing green because green is the best color for your logo to be facing. And there we go. Of course, if it's unaligned like this, it can't push through. It has to be perfectly aligned. I would say that the cube is turning way better than it did before. So thank you for watching this TechSpace's cubing episode. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.